Well, it's the start of day 2. A little bit beat up today. I didn't get any sleep last night. It rained on me, and I'm carrying really light with my camping gear, so right now I've decided to carry a bivy sack instead of a tent, and so I got rained on last night, which is rare in this area, but anyhow, it's dried out really nicely, and did 50K in the morning, and then Bob joined me after I did a news interview with the Began, and so, we climbed up there. The only way to cross this gorge was on the Pan-Pacific Highway. The only safe way. I mean, it was just so steep. We tried several different ways, and there's just no way up the sides of these gorges. So it added several miles, and that's mentally frustrating. And today, the same thing. I'm going to have to take the Pan-Pacific Highway across the gorge. So what would take me normally 10K is going to take me 35 to get to these gorges. So it's a real drag. But that's what it is. It's what it is. So, started day 2, and it's pretty amazing the desert so far. Though I mean, besides that, but I can't wait to. We were off road so much yesterday. I just can't wait to get, completely off road again and not have to worry about using that highway to get to those gorges. They're amazing to see, though. All right, so I'm 20K into day 2. Was feeling very rough this morning, and totally bummed that we've had to take the highway today. That is the gorge. I don't know if you can see it, but the camera's just not going to do it justice. We looked at the contours maps, and there's no choice but to take the highway down, which is treacherous to say the least, and 1,000,000 degrees. Look at my legs. That's not from the sun. The sun's been at my back the entire time, or at my side on the expedition. That's just from the heat of the road, and it's really, really hot. It's dangerous. There's no shoulder, but we have no choice to get down. To get up the other side of the gorge. Bob joined me yesterday at the 50K mark. We had a CBC interview, and we basically had to walk from there up this road, 16K hill. I'm about to descend a 21K hill, a half marathon, straight down the side of this gorge. So it's they are so huge. It's crazy. I've never seen anything like it. It's amazing. All right, we're going. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. So, I had mentioned before that we had no choice but to take this crazy highway. I'm somewhere around 40K. The downhill to get to this gorge is 21K. And unfortunately, I'm running out of guardrail. The trucks are coming down here at 1,000,000 miles an hour, but you can see there's no way to get across this. There's absolutely no way up this gorge, both sides. Scoured the maps looking even for, llama trails. There's nothing. So this road is our only option. It's scary. Very scary.
Falta que llegue 1 hora más. Ya, muchas gracias. Gracias. Me están filmando, mira, así como.
So what happened?
Me está filmando a mí, yo le he dicho que no me filme, no soy fotogénico. Oh, she said that he's going for lunch. He's going for lunch, and now we can fix our table there.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, it's okay, don't worry for that.
Very nice.
She say, oh, he's coming walking.
So how are you?
Doing all right. I'm tired. That running down that hill. You know what? Look at. Nobody likes to run on pavement, especially when it's, 38 degrees Celsius pavement. My running shoes were boiling hot. Huge headwind and very dangerous highway. Trucks. Oh, there's a couple of times that were really close calls. But, yeah,
How many kilometers down that hill?
21 exactly down the hill. 21K down the hill. I actually shot a spot when I was coming along and the guardrail disappeared. And right there was a truck and a bus passing the truck. And I thought, man, the truckers here are so nice because they actually slow down, From running on the road this past last night and up the hill, I think it was 15K up the side of the gorge, and then this morning back down 20, and then straight down 21. And then the first part of this afternoon I ran maybe 5 of it, but my legs were just so totaled that I'm just walking the last 10 or so K to try and get them to recover a little bit for tomorrow, because I have to climb back out of this gorge, and then I'm out in the desert again, which will be fantastic.